I am very happy that I've done it. I mean, I had sort of mixed feelings about coming here, obviously a bit apprehensive, coming to a foreign country, not knowing what really to expect. I've had arthritis in my knees for several years, probably 15 years or more, and varying degrees of pain and mobility. And over the last couple of years, the mobility has been getting more difficult, and started investigating them, and they recommended Dr. Mudit Khanna at Wockhardt Hospital for my surgery. And so I came here mainly because of the cost factor. So it's very much more expensive to do this in New Zealand. I think overall the experience has been very positive. Right from when I stepped off the plane, there's someone to meet me. And I've had all my transfers turned from the hospital, and everything went pretty much according to plan. A day after I arrived, I was admitted to hospital with a very, very busy full day of exhaustive tests, blood tests, urine tests, scans, etc. So there was quite a long, tiring day, but it was reassuring to know that everything was very thorough. And then the next morning was down to surgery. And so it was all done quite quickly, and I was very pleased to have it done like that rather than sitting around waiting too long. And then the aftercare in the hospital for nearly a week, once again very, very thorough. The nurses come in on a very regular basis, checking bloods and blood pressure, oxygen counts, all that sort of thing. And anytime you needed anything, just had to push the button and there was someone there straight away. But I think my progress overall, I'm happy with. Now that I'm able to walk reasonably freely, to have done it now, so that hopefully I can push forward from now and get on with my life and get back to a normal life again without any sort of disability with my knees in terms of pain or mobility. Yeah, definitely would like to thank all the staff at Wockhardt Hospital, and of course in particular Dr. Mudit Khanna for the wonderful job he's done with the surgery.